Hello and welcome to today's video where we are going over the top 5 non-stick frying pans in 2024. We have given each of these frying pans a category based on where it exceeds best. If at any point you want to purchase one of these frying pans, there will be links down in the description to purchase. These are affiliate links and they do help support the channel. So if you do end up using those links, we thank you so much in advance. Now let's get started by taking a look at the first pan on our list, best all-arounder, the Hexclad hybrid non-stick frying pan, 10-inch. If you're on the hunt for a frying pan that promises both durability and ease of use, the Hexclad 10-inch hybrid non-stick frying pan might just be what your kitchen needs. This pan stands out with its patented hybrid technology, which combines a tri-play construction, an aluminum core sandwiched between 2 layers of stainless steel, and a unique hexagonal non-stick surface. This design not only ensures excellent heat distribution, but also mimics the searing capability of stainless steel, the durability of cast iron, and crucially, the non-stick convenience of traditional non-stick pans. One of the key features of the Hexclad frying pan is its versatility. It's compatible with all cooktops, including induction, and is safe for use in the oven up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for those dishes that start on the stove and finish in the oven. Whether you're cooking a hearty solo meal, romantic dinner for 2, or just sauteing some vegetables, this pan's size offers ample spaces without being too big or too small. Practicality extends to maintenance as well. This pan is dishwasher safe, though easy enough to clean by hand thanks to its non-stick surface, and it's also scratch resistance, so you can use metal utensils without fear of destroying it. Additionally, its handle is designed to stay cool, enhancing safety during its use. You're gonna love the pan's heat distribution, scratch resistance, and overall durability. And with a lifetime warranty from Hexclad, excluding commercial use, you can rest assured that it's going to be a kitchen investment that is meant to last. Now, this is definitely not the cheapest on our list or the cheapest on the market for that matter, but for a multifunctional pan that ticks so many boxes, it could very well be worth the extra cost. For those who appreciate cookware that marries form and function, the Hexclad hybrid nonstick frying pan is a contender that's hard to overlook. And with different size options ranging from a 7-inch to an 8-inch, 10-inch, 12-inch, and 14-inch, the possibilities are endless when it comes to this hybrid Hexclad non-stick frying pan. Number 2, best eco-friendly non-stick frying pan, the Caraway frying pan. Introducing the Caraway 10.5-inch fry pan, a stellar choice for those looking to combine style, health, and functionality in their kitchen cookware. This pan features a ceramic non-stick coating that ensures your cooking is always safe from harmful chemicals. The Caraway fry pan 10.5-inch is available in a variety of stylish colors to suit any kitchen decor. You can choose from cream, navy, black, gray, marigold, terracotta, sage, and white. Each option offers the same high-quality features and non-toxic ceramic coating, ensuring you can match your cookware to your personal style while maintaining a safe and healthy cooking environment. The Caraway fry pan is perfect for everyday cooking tasks like making slide off the pan eggs, sauteing veggies, or even flipping pancakes. Its ceramic surface is naturally non-stick, which means that you can cook with less oil or butter, promoting healthier eating habits. Cleanup is also a breeze too. No heavy scrubbing required, just simply wipe it down with a warm, soapy water to maintain its spotless appearance. One of the highlights of this pan is its commitment to safety. Free from PTFE, PFOA, PFAs, lead, and cadmium, this pan ensures that no toxic materials will leach into your food, giving you peace of mind with every meal you prepare. It's designed for use on all stovetops, whether induction, gas, or electric, and is oven safe up to an impressive 550 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a versatile tool for any cooking challenge. Now, while this is a great pan, it is important to note that you might be best off using this pan at low to medium heats to preserve its non-stick qualities over time. The pan's lightweight design makes it easy to handle, yet it remains durable enough to withstand daily use. Priced at $95, the 10.5-inch Caraway fry pan is an investment in both your culinary pursuits as well as your health. So whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out in the kitchen, this pan's blend of style, functionality, and safety makes it a worthwhile addition to your cookware collection. Number 3, best for family cooking. We have the Sensarte 12-inch nonstick deep frying pan 5-quart. The Sensarte 12-inch nonstick deep frying pan is designed to deliver outstanding cooking performance with its innovative construction in non-toxic coating technology. This pan features a plasma titanium particle surface fused with a diamond coating at an extreme temperature of 30,000 degrees Fahrenheit. This fusion creates a durable, textured surface that maintains its non-stick properties even after extensive use, as proven by 89,000 cycles in professional wear tests. This pan's non-toxic coating is SGS certified, free from PFOA, PFOS, APEO, lead, cadmium, and other harmful substances, ensuring a safe cooking environment. With a 5-quart capacity and a depth of 3.2 inches, the pan is ideal for various cooking methods, including sauteing, searing, simmering, and even deep frying. Its high magnetic conductive stainless steel base ensures that it's compatible with all stove tops, including induction, and provides quick and even heating. The design also includes an ergonomically designed wood grain bake-like handle that remains cool to the touch, and a tempered glass lid with a stainless steel rim for moisture retention and visibility during cooking. It's available in multiple sophisticated colors such as green, blue salt, classic black, cream white, and space gray. This pan not only performs well, but also adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen setup. Currently priced at $40.99 with a limited time discount, this pan offers a blend of functionality, safety, and style, making it an excellent choice for any cooking enthusiast. Number 4, best value, the T-fal specialty non-stick saute pan with glass lid, 5-quart. The T-fal specialty non-stick saute pan is a versatile addition to any kitchen, blending ease of use with superior cooking performance. With a generous 5-quart capacity, this pan is perfect for a variety of cooking tasks, from sauteing vegetables to frying meats and even simmering sauces. Featuring T-fal's exclusive heat mastery system, this pan guarantees delicious cooking results every time. It incorporates a superior non-stick coating, an anti-warping even heat base, and a patented thermospot technology. The thermospot indicator is a unique feature that shows when the pan is perfectly preheated and ready for ingredients, ensuring that flavors are sealed in and the food is cooked evenly. The pan's durable non-stick coating allows for lower fat cooking options and a simpler cleanup, standing up to rigorous daily use without frustrating stuck-on messes. It includes riveted stay cool handles for a secure and comfortable grip, enhancing safety during use. The even heat bases ensure superior heat distribution, providing perfect cooking results with every use. This saute pan is suitable for all stove types except induction and is oven safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It is also dishwasher safe, PFOA, lead, and cadmium free, emphasizing T-fal's commitment to safety and quality. Priced at $27.99 after a 44% discount from the list price of $49.99, this pan offers exceptional value. It combines T-fal's reliable cooking technology with cost effectiveness, making it a practical choice for both seasoned cooks and those new to the kitchen. Its black non-stick coating not only performs efficiently, but also adds a sleek, modern look to any kitchen decor. And number 5, we have the best for singles and small spaces, the Granitestone Egg Pan Series. The Granitestone Egg Pan Series is perfect for a variety of cooking needs, from a quick single egg to a full family meal. This series features pans made from high quality granite stone, ensuring both durability and consistent performance across a range of cooking tasks. The Granitestone Egg Pan Series is available in 6 different sizes to cater cater to your specific cooking needs. So whether you are frying a single egg, making pancakes, or sauteing vegetables, there is a size just right for the task. The available sizes include a 5.5-inch pan, perfect for single eggs, 8-inch, 10-inch, 11-inch, 12-inch, and a large 14-inch family pan with a lid. Each pan is designed to heat quickly and evenly, which not only improves the cooking process, but also saves energy. The robust Granitestone material used in these pans offers excellent durability and scratch resistance, making them a long-lasting addition to your kitchen essentials. Cleaning these pans is hassle-free thanks to their non-stick surface, which ensures that food releases easily and cleanup is a breeze. These pans are not just for eggs. They are versatile enough to handle a wide range of dishes, making them essential tools for every cook. The Granitestone Egg Pan series offers great functionality at a valuable price. Whether you need a small pan for quick breakfasts or a larger one for preparing meals for the whole family, these pans provide excellent performance and versatility in the kitchen. Well, there you have it. There are the top 5 best non-stick frying pans in 2024. Again, we will leave links below to all the products that we went over today. And if you end up using any of these links, we do receive a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. That's just to support the channel so that we can keep creating free content just like this. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, because here on this channel, we go over the best deals for all different types of products out there on the internet. Thank you again for your time, and we will see you in the next video.